The small kitchen oven rack. The item number is CJC1393. This item, the PP mat is already included. 2 PP mat, thickness 0.5, and the side hook is also included. It's for the kitchen countertop use. You can put your kitchen oven, micro oven under the shelf. And we have different colors for your choice. This one is chrome. Chrome is most popular for the kitchen storage use. But recently, in this year, we also have some clients to choose powder coating finish for kitchen rack use. This is white color. This one is silver color, and black one. The black one. And these 4 are very popular in the market. Please tell us which one do you like, or if you like 4, please, we would quote you 4. The white color is CJC1393WH. Black is BK. Silver is SL. Chrome is the original item number. And each shelf loading weight is 40 kilo. The shelf space, the shelf position is also can be adjustable according to your kitchen appliance. And now we put the rice bag on the shelf. The shelf can load 40 kilo. Be careful. And the white one has white plastic clips and white leveling feet. Now the silver one is in black, but we also can make it in gray plastic and gray leveling feet. The cost is different. If about additional cost about 25 cents a set. So if you like this, please tell us the item number and the quantity to our sales. We would quote our best price for you. And the next one, for this item, we have another small size. This one, the size is 50 by 30. Height is 50. Height is 60. It's suitable for small size kitchen oven rack. And this one is for the big size. CJC1393, the item is 60 lengths. And this one, the item number is CJC1366. The length is 50. It's for small size kitchen oven. Their accessories are same, only the size is different.